Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now and Little Coin Shop for Diwali. So Diwali's coming up on Monday. Well, we're kind of in Diwali now anyway, but particularly the day for buying gold is turning up on Monday. So we just thought we'd give you a bit of a heads up of what life is going to be like at Bullion Now on Monday and what's available. So as you can see behind me, we've got heaps of the Perth Mint Diwali coins. We can actually take a bit of a close-up at this one. We've got one here. So they come in the presentation box, and then they come with a certificate, and then you've got the coin itself. Now sometimes they turn up a little bit skew-if, so these boxes just pop open like that, and then you can reorientate the coin to whichever way it works out for you. And this here is it's actually a silver coin with a gold plating across it on both sides. So looks like a gold coin, but it's 1 ounce of silver. And yeah, beautiful presentation there from the Perth Mint. So that's one that you'll be able to get. The other one is obviously just the normal coins and bars. So a bit of a selection we've thrown out here. In the minted bars, which is what these are from the Perth Mint, we go everywhere from the 1 grammer, so quite small. So you're looking at, you know, kind of that 90, somewhere between that 90 and $100 mark for those types of things, all the way through to, we've got even a large one out here, which is a 10 ounce. So, you know, you're probably looking at high 25, low 26,000 for that. So, and everything in between in the Perth Mint minted bar. But that's not all. You can also get some of the overseas ones have produced some interesting things. So that's obviously that's from Valcambi, and that's a 1 gram and a 1 ounce. And they've also got these fantastic, and I love these things. These are the Valcambi stars. So they're produced in Switzerland by Valcambi, as you can see there. These are a 5 gram star, but you can actually break them down. You can see the lines inside there, and each point breaks off into 1 gram. So good for giving away and those types of things. It's just a fantastic presentation. So Monday the 26th, Monday the 24th, isn't it? We will be open from 9 through till 5. Come into store, grab what you need. We'll have silver coins, we'll have the bars, we'll have all the gold that you need. Bear in mind, Bullion Now, we are cash and bank transfer only. We don't take cards. So that way we can keep the prices down a little bit lower because we're not paying those bank fees. So come fully charged with your cash or with a bank transfer on the day over your phone, and we can sort out all your needs. And if you've never been to Bullion Now before, don't forget we're on level 6, 227 Collins Street in Melbourne. So 227 is the corner of Swanson Street and Collins Street, above the Westpac there. You just come in behind the Westpac, catch the elevator up to level 6, and you'll pop out there and you'll see Bullion Now right in front of you. That's it. We'll talk again later.